We're out here on this beautiful day doing a little bit of crappie fishing. Let's see what happens here. Got one on here if he stays on. Not a bad size catch. Start the day off. Drop back in here and see what happens. We got another one on here. Another nice one. Jacob's caught one over here. Bringing him up. Not a bad catch. I'm gonna keep on fishing here and see what happens. Got another one on here. Bring him up. Another nice one. Got a pretty basic setup here. Size 6 hook. This is a split shot. That's all we're using today for the minnow. Jake's got another one on here. Another nice catch.
I'll start out the bait.
Bringing up another. And we got another. Give me a second here, I'll reel this thing up. That one's a perch and he just fell off the hook. Some storm clouds up in the sky. But the fish are biting and we are here. And he just came on. But we got some minnows left. We're out here. It's beautiful. For more fishing action, keep following us. More country action. Jake got another one on the line here. And he just fell off the hook.
Damn it.
But like I was saying, more fishing action. Just keep on following us and there'll be more country action.